How to create an account in Facebook. Now in order to create a Facebook account in 2026, you just simply need to open your Facebook application and then you will see this page. Now here you will see the option of create new account. You just simply need to tap to create new account. And after tapping in there, you can choose to continue with Instagram or WhatsApp or any other meta application that you have account in, or you can tap to create account manually. Now, after tapping in there, you just simply need to tap to create a new account. After this, just simply enter a first name for your account. For example, let's select Jack and then select the surname as well and tap to next button. After setting up this much, set up your date of birth. Just simply set up your date of birth in here and tap to set button and tap to next button. And then just simply select your gender and tap to next button again. After selecting your gender, you need to enter your mobile number or your email address. Just simply choose suitable option for you. I'm using email in here, and after entering either your phone number or email address, tap to next button. Now, after doing this much, you need to set up a password for your account. Simply do this and tap to next button. And now tap to I agree button in this page, and after doing these easy steps, your Facebook account will successfully be created. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.